Hey, welcome back guys. So today we're going to do gel polish and glitter ombre for Gelx. Okay, so supplies needed. Glitter. I have Glitterblendzusa birthstone April diamond. Extend gel. Gel polish. Your ombre brush, little feathered hairs there, they're thinner, and extend gel brush. Okay, so for this step, if you have clients that are returning, or for yourself, if you write down the size of each tip, you can prep these ahead of time. So you'll do your extend gel and your glitter, and you can prep those all out for yourself or your client. And it's going to be the reverse glitter encapsulation for the Gelx. So a little bit of your extend gel, you're going to apply that inside the tip. I put a thin, even layer. I don't want it too thick, but I want it thick enough so that the glitter can be pushed into it. Okay, so for the next step for your glitter, you just want to make sure that your glitter is not too chunky. You want it to be able to lay kind of flat inside that rounded part of the tip for the encapsulation. For my glitter, I'm using the Glitterblendzusa Birthstone Collection April Diamond. Look how pretty it is. It's my favorite. It's so sparkly. Yeah, so you're just going to go to town. You're just going to pat inside your glitter gently. You want it to be a thin layer. You don't want it too thick so that it's falling off, but enough that it's actually laying inside of the gel there. And this literally would be the step that you would do for all 10 of the nails. For a client, you could prep this step a day before they come. You could work on these tips before they're there for your appointment. Yeah, I love this process. Okay, so at this point, after it's cured, you're going to get your extend gel, and you would apply extend gel to the tip, and then you would go ahead and apply it to the fingers and do your flash cure, and that would just be reverse glitter encapsulation if you wanted to just have it that way. You want to make sure after it's on the fingers, you would put a top coat underneath so that you don't lose any of your glitter afterward. So you want to make sure you do your full cure after the tips on with glitter, and you apply your gel polish now of choice. For me, I like to go about halfway for my ombre, but if you just want a little bit of glitter peeking out at the bottom, you go as far as you like it to be. Alright, I like it. So now we're going to do the ombre brush. You're going to dip it in a little bit of acetone, dab it off a bit, and then you're just going to feather it down. I like to start at the very, very bottom so that I'm barely getting any gel polish on it, and try to work it down. I go up eventually and I grab a little bit more gel polish, and I work it down so that I'm getting that ombre effect where it's not as opaque and it starts to turn transparent. Okay, oops, I always do this. So it's too foggy. I don't really like that it's too far down. So you dip in more acetone, dab it, and then you just go up and you clean it off a bit where you want it to be more clear. We're blending and blending. Oh, Oh, we're blending. Alright, final inspection, and I think it's good to go. There you go, guys. What do you think? I love this method. It's super easy. It's pretty. We're getting that look that everyone else can do with acrylic, but we're doing it with our Gelx. Final step, we're going to top coat it. Okay guys, that's the final product. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask in the comments, send me a message, and I'll get back to you guys. Thank you.